Compare with Schluter products, similar in appearance and functionality to Schluter's products. Can be adapted to Schluter Carity prefabricated slope shower tray. We have more choices of grading patterns than Schluter's products. And we make various colors, like brushed nickel, matte black, brushed gold, rose gold, and gunmetal. Threaded rotation to adjust height, more flexible than Schluter's products. The size per height outlet diameter is the same as Schluter's product. Our material can be PVC ABS. We have similar to inside waterproofing membrane. 2 PCs outside waterproofing corner, polyethylene shower corner, seamless membrane corner. 1 PC waterproofing seal with gasket, and 1 PC mixing valve seal waterproofing for bathroom. Bathtub walls and surrounds with Schluter's products. Our waterproofing membrane has the same size but better quality. The material is polyethylene plus butyl tape, better waterproof performance.